Welcome to UPSC Vinoth. So today we are going to see a series of protected areas. So from this, I'm not going to discuss the model questions or PYQs. So I will discuss the PYQs separately because the questions which has been concentrated in protected area is very bare minimum. So we shall discuss the important points with respect to the protected areas, and that will help you to answer the question when the question comes in the exam. So starting with Sundarbans, world largest contiguous mangrove forest. See, contiguous mangrove forest, world largest contiguous mangrove forest. See the geographical identity. See, it is present in West Bengal and it spreads over Bangladesh also. See, first of all, geographical identity. See, Sundarbans' geographical identity is the delta formed by confluences of Ganga, Brahmaputra, Meghna river. Three major rivers as deltas forms the Sundarbans. So it is, and also it is a mangrove forest. What is the key status and timelines? See, in 1987, it is world it got UNESCO's World Heritage Site. UNESCO's World Heritage Site. In 1989, it upgraded into Biosphere Reserve. In January 2019, it got recognition under Ramsar Convention, Wetland International Importance. So now we are coming to one of the unique feature present in Sundarbans. That is only mangrove forest in the world inhabited by tiger. You know that when Bengal comes, Bengal tiger is very much important, and it is a only mangrove forest in world inhabited by tigers, and also dolphins are also seen. Dolphins, Gangetic Sea. You know that the Ganga river drains over this region, so Ganga river is famous for Gangetic dolphin. Already Gangetic dolphin I asked in the UPC PYQ. So this Gangetic dolphin is very much important in this Sundarbans also. Other than this, reptiles like crocodile, monitor lizard, olive ridley turtles are also seen here. Mammals like Royal Bengal tiger, Gangetic dolphin are also seen here. So Gorva Island is also present over here. Other than this, key island mentioned: Sagar Island, Ganga Sagar Island, Gorma Island, Goramar Island. See, these islands have been severely affected by the climate change erosion, and residents from here are starting to relocate towards other mainland areas. Bali Island, home to Bali Nature and Wildlife Conservation Society. So the national park, this now there is a national park established over 1330 square kilometer core area. So the Sundarbans, so Ganga, Brahmaputra, Meghna river, so UNESCO's World Heritage Site, Biosphere Reserve, Ramsar Convention. So Estuarian crocodile, monitor lizard, olive ridley, Royal Bengal tiger, Gangetic dolphin. So only mangrove forest in the world where is tiger has been inhabited by tiger. So key islands like Sagar Island, Gormar Island, and Bali Island. Okay, let us move to the second important national park, Nagarhole National Park, present at Karnataka. First of all, location, where is this? Karnataka, Kodagu and Mysore district of Karnataka. Kodagu, when you talk about Kodagu, the river Kaveri. So river Kaveri is there. So and also Kabini reservoir is there. Kabini reservoir is there. So see, one of the most important feature of this area is this is one of the most largest biosphere reserve. It also has linked with Bandipur National Park, Mudumalai National Park, Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary. So this protected area starts from Nagarhole and travels to Bandipur National Park and crosses over. It is a bunch of protected area, and also Kabini River passes through this area. So Kabini Reservoir is a border. Kabini Reservoir is a border of this Nagarhole National Park. Kabini Reservoir is a border of Nagarhole National Park, and most importantly, the features which has been seen in this biodiversity flagship species for ancient elephant, a tiger, leopard, wild dog called dole, ancient elephant are also seen here. So tiger density is one of the highest tiger density after Corbett and Kaziranga. This third highest tiger density is seen over this area. Elephant, one of the highest density of elephant is seen over in this area. Okay, and vegetation types like marsh deciduous forest, dry deciduous forest, sub-mountain valley, freshwater swamp forest are also seen here. Moist deciduous forest, dry deciduous forest, both are seen here. So people will confuse whether both how moist deciduous forest, dry deciduous forest will be in the same area. No, in Nagarhole National Park, both moist deciduous forest and dry deciduous forest is seen over this area. Okay. Okay, floral activities like tropical moist semi evergreen forest has been seen here. So declared as 37th tiger reserve in India in 1999. This Nagarhole National Park is declared as a 37th tiger reserve in 1999, 1999. So this is very important with respect to Nagarhole National Park. It is present at Karnataka. Kabine Reservoir separates Kaveri from Nagarhole National Park. Okay, the flagship species like tiger, leopard, wild dog, that is dole, Asian elephant are also seen here. So protected area, largest complex forms from largest protected area in South India. Largest protected area in South India, contiguous border south by Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary and southern by Bandipur Tiger Reserve. So it is also Rajiv Gandhi, also known as Rajiv Gandhi National Park. So now we shall go with the Yervikulam National Park. Yervikulam National Park. The name suggests it is located at Kerala, Idukki district of Kerala. Southwestern Ghats, southern Western Ghats in the high ranges. So it is elevation about 2000 meter. Timeline 1975 it was declared as Yervikulam National Park. Initially 1975 it was declared as Wildlife Sanctuary. 1978 it is declared as first national park in Kerala. Area about 97 square kilometer. What is unique ecological event? Neelakurinji. See, this is UPSC PYQ. Neelakurinji, UPSC PYQ. Neelakurinji is a UPSC PYQ. So this they asked that whether it is an invasive species or not. It is not an invasive species. It blooms over once in 12 years. Once in 12 years. Okay. So geographical significance. Aanemudi Peak, one of the it is the highest peak in South India. Aanemudi Peak, it is highest peak in South India. So it is highest peak in South India. So ecosystem is present over here. That is 2,695 meter. High priority. Ecosystem protected fragile Shola grassland, Shola grassland mosaic is seen here. Hydrology, catchment area for Pambaru and Periyar river, Periyar and Chalakudi river, Periyar, Pambaru, Periyar, Chalakudi river. So one of the wettest area in the world. Okay, flagship species. See, this is one of the important flagship species. Nilagiri Tar. It is a state animal of Tamil Nadu. Though the Yervikulam National Park is in Kerala, the state animal of Tamil Nadu is present here. So, present here, population, largest viable population in the world. It is mentioned as endangered. IUCN list as endangered. Status endangered. Schedule, while it is protected under Schedule 1 Wildlife Protection Act. So, okay, then other biodiversity. So, other faunas like Atlas moth and Nilgiri martin, lion-tailed macaque. See, lion-tailed macaque is seen here. Tiger, leopard is seen here. So endemic bird like black and orange fiat catcher, Nilgiri wood pigeon, Kerala laughing thrush, and Nilgiri pipit. Recent initiative, Fernarium, specialized garden for ferns. UPSC PYQ here. Ferns, first kind of region. Greenhouses for cultivation and study. Ecosystem, invasive plant species tourism. So this contains invasive plant species also. Indigenous community management. So see, Muttuvanas traditionally associated with Yervikulam National Park. Muttuvanas, Yervikulam National Park. So ecosystem sensitivity practices. Pioneer in seasonal closure and green energy. Pioneer in seasonal closures. So calving. So this is very much important with respect to Yervikulam National Park. So let us move with the next national park. So Silent Valley National Park. Silent Valley National Park is also in Kerala. So it is very much important. Palakkad district of Kerala. It is Western Ghats. Mostly it is present in Western Ghats. Core area of Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. This Silent Valley National Park is core area of Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. India's first international biosphere reserve in 1986. Surrounded areas like Mukurthi National Park. See, this Silent Valley National Park is surrounded by Mukurthi National Park, Karimpula Wildlife Sanctuary, New Amarambalam, and Atipati Range Forest, Reserved Forest. contiguous landscape with Western Ghats, UNESCO's World Heritage Site. So chronology event. So 1914 it is declared as reserve forest. 1970 Silent Valley movement as against, there was proposed hydroelectricity dam, but it was the movement was against the hydroelectricity dam. So save Silent Valley. So hydroelectricity project abandoned by PM Indira Gandhi in 1983, and 1984 declared as national park. 1984 declared as national park. Now flagship species of Silent Valley National Park is lion-tailed macaco, lion-tailed macaco, lion-tailed macaco, lion-tailed macaco. IUCN Red List. It is endangered. Schedule 1 of Wildlife Protection Act. Wildlife Protection Act. So this is UPSC PYQ. The park in the house of largest viable population. This is endangered primate in the world. See hydrology. So Kundi Pula River. So a tributary of Bharatapuzha River. So drains entire length in this park. Bhavani River and Kalandi River. So again, key ecological and geography. A core area is about 85.52 kilometers, and the buffer zone is about 148 kilometers. Peaks like Anagenda Peak and Mukurti Peak. See Mukurti Peak. Last undisputed track southwestern Ghats of mountain forest region, tropical moist evergreen forest. So absence of noisy cicada, locally known as name of origin. See the Silent Valley is a name origin from absence of noisy cicada has been UPSC PYQ. Other than biodiversity, mammals like 41 species: tiger, leopard, ancient elephant, Nilgiri langur, martin, thar; birds like great Indian hornbill, Nilgiri wood pigeon, and 16 endemic birds have been seen here. Butterflies and moths: 164 butterflies, 400 moths has been seen here. Indigenous community: Irulas, Kurumbas, Mudugas, and Katunayakars. See UPSC PYQ. The Katunayakars. These are all the ethnic heritage. Irulas, in Kurumbas, Mudugas, all the ethnic groups has been found in this Silent Valley National Park. Eco-sensitive practice: pioneer in seasonal closure and green energy project. So pioneer in seasonal closure, green energy project. Okay, now Mukurti National Park. So let us start with Mukurti National Park. See, it is also located at Kerala. Mukurti National. Sorry, it is located at Tamil Nadu. It is located at Tamil Nadu. Mukurti National Park located at Tamil Nadu. So the chronological status: as 1886, it was reserved forest. 1882, wildlife sanctuary. 1990, national park. So now it is Nilgiri Tar, also known as former. Its former name is Nilgiri Tar National Park. Now it is Mukurti National Park. So the name suggests the keystone species as a keystone species. It is very much important. Nilgiri Tar is a keystone species. It is endangered. Endangered. Ecosystem: mountain grassland. See, mountain grassland ecosystem. Shola forest has been seen here. Highest peak is Kollari Betta. So Mukurti Peak. Highest peak is Kollari Betta, Mukurti Peak. Now contiguous landscape sandwiched between Mudumalai National Park here, Silent Valley National Park, and Silent Valley National Park, UNESCO status, Western Ghats World Heritage status, and part of it is also part of Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. Hydrology: rivers like Paikaru, Kunda, Billi Tandal draining into the Bhavani River. So Mukurti National Park. So fauna beyond the Nilgiri Tar, mammals like Bengal tiger. See Bengal tiger, Asian elephant, Nilgiri martin, Nilgiri langur, Nilgiri is very easy. If the Nilgiri comes means it is Mukurti. So and also avian fauna like Nilgiri pipit. It is in vulnerable. Nilgiri longitarsh. It is endangered. Indigenous community Toda. See Toda tribes are seen here. They are pastoralist tribes present in Nilgiri hills. Threats: invasive species. What is invasive species? See, very important. Scotch broom, cystic scorpius, vallet, acacia plant, acacia, UPSC PYQ, acacia. Invasive species is very much important for the UPSC PYQ. Acacia is seen here. Fire management: fire lines and cool burning used to reduce the vegetative fuel before summer. See, these are all important things with respect to UPSC PYQ. So let us go with the next Next wildlife sanctuary, Mudumalai National Park. See, next protected area is Mudumalai National Park, Mudumalai Tiger Reserve, Mudumalai National Park and Mudumalai Tiger Reserve. Category Nilgiri, it is located at Nilgiri district, Tamil Nadu. It is established at wildlife sanctuary in 1940, upgraded to national park in 1990. It is also part of Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. So connectivity, so Bandipur, Wayanadu, Silent Valley, Nagarholi, all these areas are interlinked. So unique position, it is junction for East and Western Ghats. Mudumalai National Park is junction for Eastern and Western Ghats, and also tells Mudumalai Tiger Reserve is also present here. And status critical tiger habitat under Project Tiger. See, this Mudumalai National Park and Mudumalai Tiger Reserve is critical critical tiger habitat. It is under critical tiger habitat. See, I move faster because you can slow down in the settings itself. I want to cover lot of points. Forest type, tropical dry, moist deciduous, thorn forest. See, tropical dry, moist deciduous, thorn forest also, shrub forest also seen here. Elephant corridor, Moyar Valley elephant corridor. Major fauna, Bengal tiger, Indian elephant, leopard, gaur, sloth bear, stripe and hyena, Indian cobra, python, monitor lizard are all seen here. Location. Now, see, it is North Bandipur Tiger Reserve, South Nilgiri Tiger Reserve, Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. So Northwest Mudumalai Tiger Reserve, West Wayanadu Tiger Wildlife Sanctuary. Chronology: although it is established at 1940 as Wildlife Sanctuary, 1986 it is Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, 2007 it is declared under Project Tiger. Project Tiger. So core area of 321 kilometer. Key ecological geography: river drained by Moyyaru River, tributary of Bhavani River. So, and also forest type like tropical moist deciduous, dry deciduous and thorn forest. Fauna: tiger, Asian elephant, gaur, leopard, wild dog, dhole are seen here. Avian fauna like birds, 266 birds, Malabar grey hornbill, critical endangered species, white-rumped vultures are also seen here. So let us continue the further with the next video. So keep supporting, keep following UPSC Vinoth for further details. Thank you.